What's up, guys? So it is Friday and I'm back. You know, since I was born, everyone's like, Deepti ki photos to achhi aati hain because her face is photogenic. And I'm like, okay, I didn't know, but there was something that was within me that I just felt, and I just, like, you know, used to get the picture clicked, and I never knew that what was it. I couldn't frame it up, but I do feel that, you know, there are other things, factors that really matter while taking a selfie or getting clicked. So this video is on selfie, so I'm going to talk only about selfie, how to take a good morning selfie. So for that we need to have I'm sorry, but we need to have a little makeup, even if it's a good morning and you just got up and you'll be like, oh, she looks so amazing. But guys, it does require hard work. For that, a little bit of makeup is required. Okay, so let's go on for the makeup and then the tips for good selfie. So I'm gonna start off with the base, which is like totally nude on your skin, so it just gives you a little bit of you know, uniformity in the discoloration. So I'm using this Makeup Forever Ultra HD in my shade is Y365, and I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand, very little, first this much, and just with the beauty blender just try to just dab it, like, you know, inside, so that it kind of totally sets in, and so you guys can see it's like the same, but just the discoloration has reduced. That's what we want. An extra pump, not a full pump, just a little bit, and just spread it here. Okay, so you can skip this step if you don't have dark circles, but since I have, so I'm gonna just cover it up very little. I don't want to use any powder, but I just want to use a bronzer to just warm up my face. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and just take a little bit, okay, just dab it and just pat it here where you normally would want the little warmth on the face. We are not contouring, we are just warming the face, so a little bit of shadow it's gonna create. Again, for the cheeks, I want a little bit of color, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Visible Lift Blur, but you can take any cream blush, or even you can take any pink lipstick as well, because you can, that's gonna like do the role, the same thing. Again with the beauty blender, and just blend it, let it just set up on your face naturally, because girl, we just got up. We do need a highlighter for sure, because we want a glow on the face once we are up. So I'm using L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator, and very little, you can just take it maybe with the finger. I'll take it with the small finger, very little, and just on here on the arch, under the arch of your brows, because we want like your eyes to be lifted up. Again, we're just gonna blend it very lightly, the highlighter, very lightly, because we don't want to show it like we have done it. We just got up. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do brows for sure, because our brows have to be like defined a little bit, like especially for me, I cannot work. Maybe for girls who are like blessed with good brows can just skip this part, or maybe just brush it with this spoolie, but yeah, I want it. And I'm just gonna, it's a gel form, so I'm just gonna clean it up and just now just fill it up very casually. Once this is done, I'm gonna take this spoolie back again and just fill them up. I mean, just brush them up. We don't want to put anything on the eyes but just the mascara. So I'm going to put the Sugar Cosmetics Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in the shade Black with a Bang. Just at the end, I always like to, like, you know, put chapsticks before I sleep, but in case you don't, then just put the lip balm or a chapstick. So I'm using this chapstick Hydration Lock. I love it. Okay, now the lips. If you think you're happy with this, okay, but I like it to be a little matte but hydrated. So what I do is, after this, I'm going to use a lip pencil instead of liquid lipstick or a lipstick or anything, because this will give me what I want. So what I do is, this is by Pro Art, which is like so amazing. It's in the shade Milk Chocolate, and it's like so good at the pocket and so good in the quality, and when I wear it, I just feel that it's like totally my lips, my lip color. Once we are done with this, still we're just gonna remove the extra color on like the lips by just smudging it with a tissue. And now the hair, the messier the hair, better it looks. So what we're gonna do is just brush it off. Just try to like do like this. I don't know what it is called. Just try to do like this. So since I got little fringes this month, I got it done, so I'm gonna use them. As you can see, like, I am messy, but still, oh, good morning. Okay, let's go and take a selfie. And now I'm gonna look for the light, the good lighting. You see this? Okay, so I just got up. Good morning. Okay, so I'm in front of the door and a window where I feel there's no direct light, but yes, I can take a selfie. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I hope the lighting is enough, because I am not taking extra light at all. This is like my room light and whatever pictures, because we are taking casual pictures. We are not taking like a professional picture. So that is why. So yes, and I'm like sitting on the floor and filming in my room. You must have seen, if you follow me on my Snapchat, I am right in front of my mirror, and you see this background a lot on my Snapchat. So yes, so first I talked about was the lighting. So lighting is very important. Like you always have to look for lights and play with the lights. Don't be like directly under the sun, like, you know, the sun rays are falling on your face. No, that kind of like gives you a very weird face, which I feel is like totally no, you don't want that. But yes, you can, if you want directly that kind of look, then you can wear some sunglasses and just, you know, go ahead. Otherwise you can take the pictures that is like the golden hour in photography, that is like 1 or 2 hours before the sunset, because that's gonna give you very good warm like light, and that's gonna take your pictures to a like totally different level. So I feel like that's very good. You have to play with the shadows. Like if you have any shadow falling up on your face, try not to be totally in the shadows or totally in direct sunlight. Try to be like half face or play with it, because that's like makes it more like appealing. Okay, so of course the good angle and the bad angle, of course, which I'm like taking this angle, and you see, and now you're gonna see the other side of my face, which is like, I just hate that side of my face, but I'm gonna show you how it looks. So I'm gonna just do it here, and yeah, so yeah, here it is. I don't like it, but yes, once you are, because not every time, you know, you can have a picture like this. So what you're gonna do is every time you're doing it, just you have to understand that which side of the you know, face is better, like this angle or this angle. So whenever I'm like kind of clicking it from this angle, I'm either like this, or just if like it's a group photograph, so I just do it like, because if you see most of my pictures, or if I'm taking a selfie or anything, it's like from my left hand, because I always take my left side as the good side. And that, how you will know is when you stand in front of the mirror, you will know, try to see here, try to see this side, and you will know like which one you feel is better. Or if you cannot see, try to take a picture from the left side and try to take a picture from the right side, or just keep your head straight and take the phone here and just try to see do it to every angle. Believe me, I've done all that. And once you do it to every angle and you see, oh yeah, this is something I like, or try to keep clicking pictures, and once later on you're gonna scroll up and see, oh, this angle is something that's really nice, that works for me, and you know, that enhances my features, and that doesn't make me look fat. Of course, I don't think anybody in the world, any girl wants to look fat, even if she's like petite or totally skinny, but she still wants to look skinnier, believe me. Okay. So yeah, and then is about the you know, the angles. Once you are taking it, always try to know that whether like, you know, once you're putting it higher, you whatever point you're gonna put it, that the closest, you know, feature of the face is gonna actually look bigger and the other one looks smaller. So in case you have like a round face, or maybe you have like a heavier lower part of the face, try to do it up, and then you can just you know, widen or increase the size of the eyes, which is in reality it is not. In case you want your makeup, like if in case I like mine, I want to enhance my makeup in the pictures, so I rather, in case I'm taking picture with my phone, I do not use the front camera, because that kind of blurs it, doesn't enhance the makeup and the, you know, the details of the makeup. So I try to use the back side of the camera and just zoom it little bit, because once it's at the back side of the camera, it takes that camera, it takes the extra you know, view that we do not want it. So I always do it on the back side and just do it. So I try to take the pictures, in case I'm taking for the detailed makeup, I always try to take it up from the in front of the mirror and doing it so that I can see the camera screen and know what angle I want and how do I want it. So I do feel like, you know, that is like very important in case you want the detailed look, or you want of a higher resolution. You just don't want a casual pic. You want like, it should look like professional pic. Whenever you are going to get clicked in a party, or maybe in an outing, in a kitty, or anywhere you feel, always practice your looks. If you want to want another video on how to get clicked nicely, then I can do a separate video, because that's like, again, so many points in it. But today we are talking just about the casual selfies, so that is why I'm not going to cover up that. But yes, just practice it in front of the mirror, like what poses or what dress you're wearing and what you want to enhance. So just move your hands, and you know, you can understand what, you know, you feel like. Just do it like that, or anything, you will know, you'll understand, and so that you can pose and everybody's like, let's take a picture. Oh yeah, I'm ready. In case you feel that yes, you don't want like a picture like this where, you know, it feels like I'm holding and I'm taking the selfie, try to use a timer on the face. I don't know why people use that very less, and they rather take the selfie like this, and they don't know how to take the, you know, move the face and do it. So I feel like you can just keep it anywhere, just keep it on the back of the sunglass, and then you can just keep the phone and take a selfie. You can take that selfie anywhere, even if you're waiting for someone. Why to waste time? I just try to keep it and use the timer and get a little back, and then just, or maybe do like a little bit of like, you know, like I'm too close right now, but yes, a little bit back, and then you can just pose a little bit or show it like it's a candid one and everything. Believe me, I do such things, but that really works. You should learn to just keep your hands and use your hands anywhere, like on the face you feel. I use a lot of hands while taking picture, like I just try to do like that, you know, just throw away your hand like that and just let it hang, and you know, that really looks like, oh my god, that's like she was doing something, but it just got clicked. So yeah, and just like that, you know, I have done like so many Instagram pictures and I'm just doing like this, and you know, the placement of hand tells or portrays a different image, you know what I mean? Like, okay, let me just do it like that, and that's like, oh, such a romantic pose. But when I did like this kind of gives like, I know. I try to take inspiration. Okay, that's another point. Take the inspiration from people who are similar to your body type and your features, but people who are professional at it. I mean, by celebrities or models, or like, not models exactly, but maybe bloggers, because models are all very skinny, but the bloggers are of every shape and size, and that's the best thing I love about blogging. You should just follow on Instagram, Facebook, or just Google them, anybody who you think is of body structure, and just follow their pictures and how do they pose, how do they stand, because that's really going to inspire you to use that. Then is the messier, the cuter picture it comes. Just defocus the background. As I said, like whenever you are clicking in front of the light, or the standing in front of the window, or if you're taking picture from the phone, just tap on your face, and that's gonna highlight your face and just defocus the background. So I have taken lots of pictures like on the backgrounds where I didn't want those things, so I just kind of blur it. But yes, many a times I don't have that much distance that I can take it from the background, but I still want to blur it. Then is the role of the apps. And if you want another video how I edit my pictures and what apps I use, so please mention it in the comment section below. All right, so these were some of the points, and I hope you will be able to get what you wanted from this video, and you will have an amazing selfie sessions with yourself. And if you do, please email me, or just send me or DM me on Instagram, send me a Snapchat. So these are like my social handles. So just whenever you post those kind of pictures, like the selfies, just hashtag DG selfie tips, and just post it. So I'm gonna know that yes, you were really happy with this video and it was really helpful, and that's what I want. Until next Friday, I'm gonna see you again on my channel, Makeup by Deepti on YouTube. So please subscribe and like this video, and share it with your friends. Just WhatsApp them, share the link, WhatsApp them, and so that everyone can know that what you want and how you're getting good selfies. Until next time, I love you.